So I wanted to show off this little flow field I made. It's pretty simple. There's just a flow field that creates a 3D grid of points, and then each one has a direction that changes based off of noise. And then you've got a spawner, which I'm going to increase the radius of, that spawns voids, and voids basically see where they are in that grid, and then add the force of the point on the grid that they're closest to themselves, and then they use steering force math to do that. So it's pretty freaking cool. It looks awesome. See, this is what it looks like now. So I can lower the move speed. I can raise it again. My favorite part, it slows it down a lot. It runs really badly, but you can actually see the flow field here. So I can increase the frequency, and you'll see they're moving more crazily. And increase the movement of the noise. So now the noise will scroll faster. I could even tell it not to move at all, and then they all follow the same pattern. I could slowly offset it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty fun, pretty cool.